How to turn on airplane mode on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to turn on airplane mode on Android phone. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Need to disconnect from the world for a bit or prepare for a flight? Activating airplane mode is a perfect solution. It quickly disables all wireless connections, ensuring you are not disturbed. For that, open the settings on your device. Instead, you can open the quick settings menu by swiping down from top of the screen. Here you can easily get the airplane mode option and tap on it to toggle button on or turn on airplane mode. Instead, on the settings application, you can go to the connection and sharing option and locate airplane mode option. Simply toggle the button on in this way and your airplane mode will be turned on. Now you will notice an airplane signal in the status bar indicating that airplane mode is on. All wireless connection including cellular, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth will be disabled. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.